Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Roy back here with another video, and today I will be showing you how to make a resource pack. Um, the first thing you'll need to do is have an idea of what kind of resource pack you want to make, but that's not really what I'm getting at here. I'm just anyways, alright, so what you're going to do is you'll need a texture pack to start with. So you can copy the original one, you can find a way to download it, like the original texture pack, or you might want to start from, like a lot of people, they start with a texture pack called Faithful, because it's got more pixels, people really enjoy it. I'm going to start with this one here. So I'm on Planet Minecraft, and then I go down and I just download the texture pack. There may be ads or something, I don't know. I have ad blocker, so I don't see it. Okay, so we're gonna open it, and then okay, so assets pack.mcmeta, sweet. All right, so I'm gonna copy this. So it's in a compressed folder, but I'm copying it out. So the next thing you want to do is you want to find your resource packs folder. There are two ways to do this. One way is to type in %appdata percent, oh, actually not there, sorry. Percent data percent dot, okay. Wow. You have to add a slash, okay? Do you get that? Let me do it again. Percent app data percent slash dot Minecraft. Alright, boom. So that brings us here. You can find your data packs folder and saves folders to copy your world, all this stuff. It doesn't matter. Right now we're looking for resource packs. Alright, I have two resource packs in here already. I really like Vanilla Tweaks because it makes me able to have bushier leaves. If you haven't heard of Vanilla Tweaks, very good resource pack. You should probably give it a look. There's a lot of helpful tools. Alright, so I copy the thing. So you can see it's assets pack mcmeta. Alright, so it's the same format here. This is you don't want to have an extra layer. Like this one has an extra folder on top and it doesn't function. Alright, so first of all, this is the picture that will display when you are in the resource pack screen, right? The pack picture, okay? This is what the text will be inside. Okay, so let's look. Options, resource packs. Okay, so you can see the picture there, and the words that are written there are going to be right in here. Okay, I have a tutorial on my channel, but I'll show you here again. How to change this. It's very simple. What you're going to want to do, I'm going to close this. Oh yeah, this is another way you can find your resource pack folder, right here. You just open pack folder. This is a quicker way to find your .minecraft folder too, because you can just go back one. Alright, so so I'm going to change the words in here, right? Okay, so I'm going to click it. Now do this very carefully. Alright, it isn't letting me do it. Alright, I'm going to copy this. Whatever. I'm going to do it. Alright. That mcmeta. Okay. There we go. Alright, so I clicked it with the left or right mouse button, right? Click it, rename, and now here's the tricky part. You can only do this once, right? Okay, so .txt. So this will change it into a regular text might become unusable. Okay, don't worry about this too much, but we do know it will be unusable. All right, so you can see the description and the name. All right, so I'm gonna change it. BOOP. Okay. And then I'm gonna exit out. These will auto save. Do I want to save changes? Save. All right, now here's the next part. Control Z. Control Z. Boom, that changes it back. So Control Z is the undo button. So basically what I did was I undid the action of naming it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in here. I'm going to delete this one. Yep. And then I'll have this one copied. I'm going to go back. Christmas leaves. Paste. Okay. And I'm also going to change the pack picture. So I have this pattern here. This is going to be the picture. Okay, so you're going to notice that this picture is a PNG file. Okay, let's delete this. Yes, and then I'm going to move this bad boy in. And then okay, this is the wrong one. This is in my downloads folder. I'm sorry that I did that wrong. Okay. Is that not the one in your downloads folder? You gotta be in the resource pack folder. Sorry. Alright, so this one. Alright, I'm gonna delete these, right? And then put in the new ones I made. A new pack picture and a new pack MC meta. Now let's see what we got. Oh, look at this. There's the pattern and it says boop. Okay, this right here is the name of the folder. Okay, so if we go, it's the wrong one. All right, if we go, to the Christmas leaves folder, we'll go up one. All right, if we rename this loop, changes to loop, right? Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is go in the assets folder. Now, the only thing here is whatever blocks you add are what it's going to change. Everything else will be the default texture. So you can see that this pack adds flowers or whatever. Okay. Now, we're going to get into the next portion, right? This is the actual editing part. So, these are the only ones in this pack that are edited. The rest, if you loaded this pack, the rest of the blocks would be default textures. That's another reason to start with by downloading an original texture pack, like the default one, or looking through your .minecraft folder to find this, or starting with vanilla tweaks or something else. But either way, that's why you might want to start with another texture pack, like the original. I found a way to get the default texture pack. texture-packs.com/resourcepack/default-packs/ right? And you can download the default pack in different resolutions for you to edit. So I want to edit a 32 by 32, right? So, oh, that's the wrong thing. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Sorry. All right, the default pack, author Mojang, right? Okay, where is it? 1.18. There we go. All right. So this downloaded the default texture pack. Okay, but we're gonna ignore that for now. We'll let it download, but it's taking a minute. Okay, while that loads, this is what you need to edit. Okay, you may have a fancier app, but I looked this up on Google. Paint.net download. Get Paint.net. Used to be sent to a very, very outdated website. And what you're going to do is you are going to click. So this is the download area. So you just download this. Okay. And then you click this. And it starts to install the file. I already did it. So this is what you click right here, right? Okay. And then you're going to be given this right here, installer. Okay, so I'm going to extract all. I'm going to extract it to my desktop where I prefer things to be. Select. Alright, extract. Wow, isn't that confusing? Alright, so I'm going to click the installer. Allow it to make changes. And now it's going to download. Now this is already downloaded, so I'm going to open this. Or show in folder. Right, okay. Click it. So, following will be downloaded and installed. Download. So this Paint.net is downloading, and then these are extracting. I'll come back when those are done. Paint.net is starting here. Okay, so I want the express version, right? Agree to the terms and service after carefully reading them. Always read contracts, boys. Alright, and now it's going to download. And then this is taking quite a while because it's literally copying a picture of every single texture in the entire game. So if you start with a another texture pack that may not be maybe there's something you already have a good idea of what you want to change, maybe you just want to change some ores or something. You can find a pack that just changes the ores and then you can do it from there. But here it's giving me the option of changing every single thing in the game. So that's okay. We'll just deal. Okay, so Paint.net finished installing. Click Finish to close the wizard, and I'm going to click this to start Paint.net. So this is Paint.net. It'll start you with this blank canvas. I really, really like Paint.net. It's free. You can have layers. You can have PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You can do all the jazz. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the resource, this folder here, and I'm going to click one and say open with. I'm going to say paint.net. Okay. So I zoom in. You can see the individual textures of the plant. You can see, they added the Christmas leaves. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just change things up a bit. Okay, so I'm going to draw a squiggly. I'm just going to cross out all of this, right? Just something noticeable, okay? But there's a color wheel here. There's the colors. Oh, hey, this finished. Okay, sweet. Color wheel. You can do all sorts of things in this thing. You can do a gradient, okay, I don't want to do that. I'm going to make a selection, right? And then I'm going to do a gradient. And this is just to kind of show you what's possible. Okay, so you can do crazy stuff. Okay. And then I'm going to erase this middle. Boom, boom. And you can, those half transparent pixels, those are something. Doesn't matter. Alright. Let's do white for these. Oh, see, I have a selection, so I can't. Alright. I click off for that. I'm going to do the eyedropper tool. the nice thing about Minecraft texture packs is there's really not that many textures. I mean, not that many like pixels. So it's pretty simple to go ahead and do. Okay, so file, save. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Then we can close this out. You can see it's been changed. I'm gonna open Minecraft again and load the pack so I can show you. Alright, sorry about the lag if there is any. My computer wants to die. So, options, resource packs. Let's take vanilla tweaks off, or actually leave it on. And then add loop. Well, I'll leave it off. Okay, I'll add loop. Now that's gonna load. And as you can see, okay, well that's awkward. Alright. So silly. Okay. So the one I happen to edit is on the inside of the block. So you can see that the inside has my texture on it. I should have changed multiple textures, but that's the one I happen to change, is the inside of the azalea. So you can see the texture. There's some more files to change, like, you know, the other Christmas leaves, right? So there's more there. But anyways, yeah, so I could have edited a different one, right? So, the one I edited was azalea plant. If I had edited azalea side, it would have done the side. I'm just silly, okay? But that's the basics. Is you're going to need a program that you can individually edit the pixels, like Paint.net. You are going to need a resource pack to start with, maybe the default one, maybe one that you found online. And then you are going to you're going to open the pack, you're going to look for these pictures here, and you're going to edit the pictures, and then you can edit the folder name to change the name of the pack, and then you can edit the MC meta file to change the description of the pack. That is all. Thank you for watching. If you could leave a like, and if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below, and I will be sure to respond. Thank you. And peace out.